a vibrant, magical forest. Finn the dragon loves to tell his friends incredible tales of adventure. Around him, the forest sparkles with bright plants and glowing fireflies. Hoot the wise owl and Sparkle, the playful unicorn, begin to doubt Finn's stories, noticing some things don't add up.
Yes, it sounds a little too amazing.
One day, Finn decides to play a joke. He tells them about a giant candy-loving monster on its way.
Quick, everyone! A monster is coming to eat all the candy in the forest.
The news spreads fast, sending the entire forest into panic. Animals hide their treats everywhere.
Everyone stay calm, please.
Amidst the chaos, a group of frightened animals knocks over an ancient magical totem, causing trouble for the forest.
Oh no, what do we do?
Finn sees the colors of the forest fading and realizes his lie has gone too far.
What have I done? This is all because of me.
With a heavy heart, Finn gathers everyone to confess his fib.
I'm so sorry, everyone. I made up the story about the monster. I truly wish I hadn't lied.
Finn apologizes and asks his friends for a chance to mend things. Hoot and Sparkle agree to help. Together, Finn, Hoot, and Sparkle set off on a quest to find magical items needed to repair the totem.
Let's bring back the magic, everyone.
On their journey, Finn often feels like lying to make things easier, but chooses honesty each time. Finally, they discover the last item, a tear of true remorse, which Finn creates with his genuine regret.
We can fix this, Finn, but it'll take some teamwork.
I promise I'll always be truthful from now on.
Back at the totem, they work together and restore its magic to the forest. As the totem revives, the forest blooms with beautiful colors and vibrant life once more. Finn promises never to lie again, having learned the true value of honesty and friendship. The friends sit together, sharing real stories, their bond stronger than ever in their magical forest home. In a sunny backyard, a curious puppy named Max looks beyond the fence with eager eyes. Spotting a gap under the gate, Max wiggles through and steps into a new world of adventure. Max trots down the sidewalk, his little heart racing as he sees bustling cars and playful children. At the park, Max races toward the slide, but accidentally bumps into a girl with ice cream. Oh no, I'm sorry. Feeling bad, Max meets Whiskers, the wise old cat who offers some advice.
What's got your tail in a twist, young pup?
I knocked over a girl's ice cream by accident. Now she's upset and I don't know what to do.
Ah, a classic mistake of youthful excitement. Listen, little one. Being mindful means thinking about others before we act. And when we make a mistake, a sincere apology goes a long way. Not just say it, mean it. And maybe even find a way to make it right.
So, I should just say sorry? I got it! I'll go apologize and maybe find her a flower! Taking Whiskers' advice, Max finds a flower for the girl, making her smile brightly. Next, an energetic squirrel named Nutkin invites Max to a fun game of chase.
Hey there, Fluffy Paws. Bet you can't catch me.
Catch you? But you're so tiny and fast! Wow, you are fast!
And you're not bad for a pup. That was fun.
Nutkin shares acorns with Max, teaching him the joy of sharing.
Check it out, my acorn stash. I've been saving them all year.
Whoa, that's a lot of acorns. What do you do with them?
Well, I eat some, but I also like sharing.
This is kind of fun.
Having fun, little ones?
So much fun. Nutkin even taught me about sharing.
Good lesson. Now, how about I teach you something too? Follow me.
Whoa, everything looks so different from up here.
That's perspective, young pup. Sometimes when things seem small or confusing, all you need is a different view.
Yeah, like when I climb a tree, I can see everything.
On a small hill, Whiskers shows Max and Nutkin how different perspectives can be amazing. I think all that running made me hungry. The friends gather food, each using their special skills, feeling happy working together. They enjoy a delightful picnic, filled with laughter and friendship at the park.
This might be the best meal ever.
Suddenly, rain pours down. Max is scared, but his friends keep him safe.
Don't worry, Max. We're here with you.
As the rain stops, a beautiful rainbow arches across the sky, bringing hope. Evening falls, and Max must head home. He waves goodbye to his new friends. With newfound wisdom, Max retraces his steps, being thoughtful and kind. At home, Max's family welcomes him with open arms, celebrating his return. Snuggled up with his family, Max dreams of his adventure and all he learned.